Holy shit, there's so many needles here. This is a real drug hotspot right there. There are so many needles here. We can't pick this up. This is way too dangerous. It's all full of needles here. Welcome back to another cleanup. Today we're cleaning one of Germany's shortest rivers, and funnily enough our first two pieces that we found are trash bags, so that's good. Okay, here we go. There's a lot of stuff to pick up for us. Yeah, looks like some kind of drug thing. Oh ja, ja. So Heroin-Dinger, ne? Yeah, so it's definitely drugs. Here's one of those spoons for heroin. There's a cap for a needle. Holy shit. Yeah, a lot of drug stuff here. Oh yeah, here's the needle. Holy shit, you have to be really careful there. That's really dangerous. There's so many needles there. We are leaving this place because it's too dangerous here. We found a lot of stray needles and I don't want to grab into that. What we can take are the big ones here. The stuff, the trash bag over there. The red and white things, but the stuff from the ground is too dangerous, unfortunately. After the failure of us to remove this huge plastic sheet a few videos ago, I added a knife after some recommendations to my tool bag, so we can get stuff like this, which is tied down here. I have to be really careful here. This is not a safe place to pick up trash. Here's another syringe right there. That's not a nice place here. Taking this back here as well, and then that's it. Then we're wrapping up at this spot. Not very nice here.
Wir sind viel schlimmer geworden mit den Drogen.
Ja.
Also richtig krass.
More needle packaging. Yeah. So real drug hotspot here.
Auch Tüten.
Looks like there's another trash bag here. No, it's the top part of an umbrella. A broken umbrella part, okay. Some kind of fabric here. We are leaving the first two trash bags here. They're not quite full, but there are a lot of needles inside and we don't want to get stung by that. So yeah, two done and we're moving further downstream. Nice find for once. Plastic water bottle. Well, some idiot used a confetti cannon here There's so much plastic confetti here on the ground, and yeah, that's impossible to remove. Can't pick up hundreds of pieces here, especially with all the needles hiding here underneath the leaves. So yeah, this is terrible. We're sticking to the big stuff here, but yeah. Oh, there's a cloth. Well, and a knife.
Oh.
Next bag is getting dangerous. That's an LED light string here. So we're taking that as well. It's quite long. A chocolate bar or something. Very first bag that's lit from the inside. Right there's another traffic cone in the river, but unfortunately today we can't get it out. Some kind of purse, but it's empty. A spare glass for us. And more plastic packaging. What the heck? I have no idea. What is that? Aluminium carbon extreme stabilizing system. Easton ACC SS. Well, we'll put it in the bag. Waffles, tips there, okay. Maybe a tent or remains of one. Candy wrappers, no party balloons, that's even worse. I hate balloons. And here's a moldy sweater. Huh. Looks like some kind of plastic bag, a big one. And a wine package. We found another enormous bag here, so we're putting our bag inside and all the other trash. This is really rip resistant, unlike our other bag. I found a sandal. That's a disgusting foam mattress right there. Ugh.
Ach guck mal, da ist die Zeltstange auch noch im Busch.
Pole. And another bottle. And we're really far in here, so you would think that there's not so much trash here. But there's a purse. Another purse. And it stinks.
Another one?
Yeah, another purse. Nothing inside, empty. We also found the other sandal, so now it's a pair. Next purse, and it's also empty. More plastics. Yeah. Up. Socks, a gas canister, and more disgusting socks. Holy shit, there's so many needles here. This is a real drug hotspot right there. There are so many needles here. We can't pick this up. This is way too dangerous. It's all full of needles here. We can take the big stuff here, the large pieces, very carefully, but we already collected enough needles today. That's too dangerous. And here are the spoons for heroin. Here's one. There's another one, another needle. Yeah, this is really fucked up. You can only really get it with the gripper here. And here's an old tent from the homeless / drug addicts here. Doesn't look like it's in use anymore, so we're taking it, and hopefully there are no needles inside here. Take a look. Looks more or less clean. We're wrapping up here. This is our very disgusting, enormous plastic bag full of all this trash here. And we're taking the tent separately because, yeah, it doesn't fit.
It's heavy.
Alright, we're done for today. This is our these are our results here. This enormous big bag full of all this nasty stuff. A tent, and we'll have 2 other trash bags way behind there, 500-600 meters. So yeah, about 1 kilometer of Germany's shortest river is cleaned. Yeah, that was quite a hard workout. Originally we wanted to stop picking up trash after the tent and the big bag, but we found so much here in this river. There was a scooter and we went down, and here's just so much trash. So we're doing a little bonus clean up, which you can see in 2 weeks.